Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainul Husna binti Muhammad Nizam. Today I'm going to do a video on filtration. This video is for assignment CHE 246, which is assignment 4. Next, we are going to look at the meaning of filtration. Filtration is the process of separating suspended solid matter from a liquid by causing the latter to pass through the pores of some substance called a filter. The liquid which has passed through the filter is called filtrate. Filtration is a part of separation process. Next, we are going to look at the process concept. The simplest filter is the kind called filter paper. Liquid can pass through the paper, solid particles are stopped. Filters are used to remove unwanted items and or impurities in the substance you are filtering. The filter can be paper, cloth, cotton wool, asbestos and so much more. The most common example for this is tea making. A filter or a sieve is used when preparing tea to separate the tea leaves from the water. The water can flow through the holes in the filter and the fluid that has been collected after filtration is called filtrate. In this case, the filtrate is the water. Below is the figure of a simple filtration process. Next is the filtration method. We have 4 filtration methods, which is firstly we have the general filtration, which is the most basic as it uses gravity to filter a mixture. Next, we have the vacuum filtration, which is a bunch of flask and a hose are used to create a vacuum to suck the fluid through the filter. Third, we have the cold filtration. Is used to quickly cool a solution by causing a formation of small crystals. This is a technique used when the solid is briefly dissolved. And lastly, we have hot filtration, which is this method is used when the crystal in a mixture may clog the funnel and prevent the second component from crystallizing. For the next section, we are going to look at the filtration process application in the industry. Filtration is widely used because it works as a diverse range of applications in many industrial processes. Firstly, we have the prototype equipment. In industry manufacturing, filtration helps to prevent the complex and expensive machinery that is used. When particles are properly filtered out, they can damage the equipment and can lead to entire system failure. For example, leftover particles in pipe can cause malfunction and need expensive part to replace. Purification filtration is important as it keeps water that we drink clean and purified without contamination. Filtration will eliminate the sediments, sand, gravel, carbon and other suspended particles. And then we have the safety. Filtration can prevent cross-contamination, health hazard, workplace safety issues and environmental issues. It helps the companies to comply the safety and quality standards set by the agency like EPA and OSHA. And then we have the product isolation, which is perforated tubes are designed with a hose to separate the particles from each other. Like straining pasta, many manufacturing and industrial processes need to isolate the solids, gases, oil, water and other fluids to keep the system functioning right. And lastly, we have the efficiency, which is the filtration help many industrial operations to run smoothly and more efficiently. For example, oil rings when bringing oil up out of the ground, sand and debris get mixed in the oil. By placing perforated tubes at the sources, it can help to get rid of some particles on the way up, saving some time and effort on the surface. And lastly, thank you for listening.